Hang on, Dennis, I'm getting another phone call.
Hello? I have a present for you, if you can hear me. I have an attack helicopter with a full set of rockets, and I need a passenger to sit in the front and shoot them all out of there. So you gonna tell me where you're at? Hello? Hello?
Yo, who is this guy?
I can hear you breathing! Hello?
Yo, who is calling me? Chat, who is that? Dude, the guy won't stop calling me. He keeps calling me and he says he needs a passenger to shoot rockets out of a helicopter.
Who is it?